Now, there's an outstanding solution for cost-efficient, short-run label printing. With advanced Epson inkjet technology, it easily outperforms analog presses in short-run job efficiency. Introducing the Epson SurePress L-4033A digital label press. Operation is simple. Preset configurations can be quickly selected via a touch panel. With far fewer moving parts than an analog press, maintenance downtime is low and press utilization is high. Job and version changes are easy to make because there are no plates to change or ink ducts to clean. Freed from plate mounting and extensive make-ready, you waste less substrate and ink. Offering unparalleled efficiency for short-run label printing, the Epson SurePress L-4033A is a powerhouse of print production. Epson SurePress AQ ink uses innovative resin-coated pigments that assure high quality even when printing on uncoated substrates. Fast-drying aqueous pigments maintain vividness over time. The 6 color inks include green and orange and can reproduce an impressive color gamut, optimizing color reproduction accuracy and brand color matching. Epson inkjet and micro piezo head technologies assure ultra-precise dot formation and placement, smooth gradations, sharp text, accurate barcode reading, and consistent print quality. To assist drying, the platen is heated. 2-stage fan drying firmly fixes the pigments for maximum ink adhesion and color fastness. Full spot color support, sophisticated color management, easy operation, high quality, cost efficiency. The Epson SurePress L-4033A. Epson.